to 39. Prevailing east winds up to 10 miles an hour. Thursday, patchy frost in the morning. Mostly sunny. Highs 55 to 61. Prevailing east winds up to 10 miles an hour. Thursday night, mostly clear. Lows 32 to 42. Prevailing east winds up to 10 miles an hour. Friday, mostly sunny. Highs 49 to 57. Prevailing east winds up to 10 miles an hour, shifting to the southeast in the afternoon. The forecast for western Plymouth County and Lassen Park, including Quincy and Chester today, mostly sunny. Highs 38 to 53. Prevailing northeast winds up to 10 miles an hour. Tonight, mostly clear. Lows 19 to 34. Prevailing east winds up to 10 miles an hour. Thursday, mostly sunny. Not as cool. Highs 42 to 57. Prevailing east winds up to 10 miles an hour. Thursday night, mostly clear. Lows 23 to 38. Prevailing southeast winds up to 10 miles. With a routine weekly test of the emergency alert system. To provide the most consistent warning service possible, these alerts will only be activated for selected warnings affecting the following counties: Alpine, Amador, Butte, Calaveras, Colusa, El Dorado, Glen, Lake, Nevada, Placer, Western Plymouth, Sacramento, San Joaquin, Sierra, Solano, Stanislaus, Sutter, Tehama, Tuolumne, Yolo, and Yuba. To repeat, this has been a test of NOAA Weather Radio's warning device. This is only a test. We now return to our normal programming. You are listening to NOAA Weather Radio, the voice of the National Weather Service on east wind 8 miles an hour. Stockton, sunny. 48 degrees. West wind 8 miles an hour. For Reno, it was mostly sunny. 43. Mount Shasta City, under sunny skies. Temperature 37 degrees. In Portland, Oregon, fog was reported. 38 degrees. At Medford, it was cloudy. 39. Northeast wind 8 miles an hour. In Klamath Falls, it was sunny. Temperature 30. South wind 13 miles an hour. Los Angeles, under mostly sunny skies. Temperature 71 degrees. Northeast wind 10 miles an hour. Once again, at 11 a.m., in Redding, 55 degrees. The forecast for the northern Sacramento Valley, including the cities of Redding and Red Bluff today: patchy frost in the morning. With a routine weekly test of the emergency alert system. To provide the most consistent warning service possible, these alerts will only be activated for selected warnings affecting the following counties: Butte, Glen, Western Plymouth, Shasta, Tehama, and Eastern Trinity. To repeat, this has been a test of NOAA Weather Radio's warning device. This is only a test. We now return to our normal programming. You are listening to NOAA Weather Radio.